Just bought my flights to China. I will be spending a month, more than a month, almost 50 days. This is gonna be like a start of a big journey. So see you in a few months. Alright, so in 2 days I'm leaving for Asia. This is going to be a almost 50-day trip starting in Beijing, China. And the idea is kind of crazy because I want to film every single day, which sounds good, but I don't know how it's going to feel after like day 20. So I have more or less 48 hours left. So let's see how it goes. I'm really excited about this trip. I will be visiting 7 countries in total, and I'm not going to spoiler those countries in this first video, but for the people who know me personally, know exactly where I'm going. This is also my first time posting videos on the internet, showing my face and like doing this kind of a traveling vlog, so guys, please bear with me. There's a first time for everything. The whole process is just like super exciting, so I'm looking forward to it. So 3 hours left to go, and the room looks precious, looks amazing. As you can see, I will try to pack everything as fast as I can. I will give you also a detailed explanation about the electronics and everything I'm carrying, but as you can see, I am packing a lots of clothes for 50 days, and I think it will not be enough, but if I will need more clothes, I will just buy them. Alright, this is basically the entire setup for the next 50 days. For cameras, I'm keeping it very simple. I will be using the DJI Nano, which is very reliable. You can even detach it and everything. And at the end of the day, we'll have like the camera and the module, and the camera you can just use a magnet to attach it to your shirt. I will also be using the DJI Osmo Action 3. This is the one I'm currently filming with, so I can't show it to you right now. I'm also bringing 2 drones, the DJI Mini 3 and the DJI Nano. The Mini 3 is mainly for cinematic shots, and the Neo is just super easy to throw up quickly when I don't want to think too much about it. So for the audio, just the DJI mic setup, keeping it lightweight but also super reliable. I will be editing everything on the MacBook Pro, and to keep all the footage safe, I will be using this Seagate hard drive, since I'm really scared of running out of space on the MacBook, so I'm just using it just in case. I will be also using my phone to film, so this DJI gimbal is going to be super useful. Also taking the ND filters for the camera. Regarding the lightning, also cables and adapters for every single gadget. I'm also taking this power bank from Anker, which is probably going to be confiscated by the Chinese because it does not have the 3C certificate, so I will just try my luck. So last but not least, this power adapter, since China uses a completely different outlet from the one that we are using here at home in Europe. So this one is going to be perfect since it has 2 power outlets and also USB and USB-C. So after some struggle, I got everything ready. We got the backpack, the suitcase, the phone, the jacket, and some food. Let's see how it goes. So I just passed immigration here at the airport in Madrid, and it is so empty, like there's literally no one. And everything is closed, so let's see. So, just arrived at the hotel. I had a few problems with my internet, but we're getting that solved. And let's get a quick room tour. First of all, the bathroom. No, standard bathroom. Standard Chinese bathroom. No, nothing out of the ordinary. The hotel, by the way, it has like 5 stars, but I think it's not 5 stars worth it, to be honest. But look at this. This is very bad. This is very bad quality. Look, even mold. No, not good. But to be honest, I can't complain about the price. By the way, I have 2 beds, not only one. I have 2, in case I run out of space. Got all my stuff here, and the best thing with is that 7-Eleven. I just finished editing the video, and the last part is the one I'm currently filming right now. And as you can see, I'm way too tired to continue. It's currently 2 a.m. here, and tomorrow we will begin the adventure. So see you tomorrow.